we are once more, since we finally have a dry series of days, we're catching up our caulk job. It's one of the things on a wooden deck you have to keep up with. Anyway, they make a little tool to sand the wood, but I found that this little screwdriver does a really good job about sanding and smoothing it. And it's very easy to control. And we're doing the starboard side first? Well, the port side doesn't have any leaks. After you clean them all out, then you acetone inside the area. Clears out as much of the oils as you can from there. Gets all the dust up. Well, it also gives a good clean surface for the caulk to bond to. It's been raining and raining and raining, so I haven't had a good day to do this. Also, I had 4 tubes of this SIS Teak decking systems SIS 440, and I've had them for several months. They're hard as a rock. These things expire. You can't keep them forever. Then you tape it off. The caulk is really messy. You don't want it to get anywhere but where you're trying to get it. Yes. This stuff gets everywhere. You can smooth it out right after you put it in, or you can wait and cut it off with a razor. We prefer to wait and cut it off with a razor. Do I have to just hope the cat doesn't step on it? Nope, you have to keep her away from it. They make really nice caps for these things. These caps are wonderful. Okay. Otherwise, they dry out really fast. Sorry, we used to use a screw. Didn't work very well. It should be nice and sunny, so it shouldn't take that long to harden to the point of being safe. Especially in the heat. You pull this at an angle so that it slides out from underneath the rubber without lifting it. You don't want to lift the rubber and pull it away from the wood. Hey folks, like, subscribe, tell your friends. It really does help, and it helps the channel grow. It helps us get higher in the search engines. And if you do feel like you can, please donate and help us out on the journey and help us restore this boat. We have a Patreon link. We also have a PayPal link on our website.